Inabog na tayo. Dito tayo sa Delicious again. Kasi meron silang buffet. So, tatry natin ng almusal buffet. Ano, Philippines, Netherlands, Mexican. Dito yan. This is 12, toch?
That's 12.
Ja.
Gewoon lekker naar binnen.
Ja. Je vraag is. Hoy, ito yung loob. Ang dami nilang tinda.
Jouw favoriete fikkersens?
En misschien pinakurat.
Creamsoep? Ja, ik heb gekeken. Ik heb hem niet gevonden.
Pinakurat. Ah ja, creamsoep.
Maar wel...
Ay, dit is de Vicks kat.
Bihun hebben ze wel. En
Ah, cream na. What is up? Hungry na siya, mga kami may hungry. Ito yung aming ano. Ayan, may pandesal.
Wat is dit?
Meron siyang sofa. Ay, ganda. Ito na yung pagkain namin. Meron akong sopas. Meron din siya langgonisa. Pero yung the pandesal is out, yeah?
No.
Spicy out. Duma ng pandesal. Man natin ang sopas. Aba. Ito masarap. Masarap ang hotdog.
Nou, lekker als een sausjes.
Harap. What can you say about the langgonisa?
Long time, heel lang geleden.
The langgonisa. Ano ba yan? Meron music. Copyright.
Is the best.
What you say?
The one you prepared a long time ago for me.
Langgonisa. That's from Philippines. What can you say about your sofas?
Lekker.
Sarap?
Ja, lekker.
Marami din silang frozen food, oh. Oh, may bangus. May smoke, oh, pak. Dami din nilang ano, tinda, oh. Alam nyo na kung saan. Lalagay ko ang comment section. Sa comment section ng address. Ang ingay, meron silang ano. Aba, second round with the fishball. What do you feel?
So Pinoy here.
It's very Pinoy. Very Pinoy. Yeah, but of course, this is Filipino dish almusal. It's macular. Lekker the fishball. Ba't langgonisa lekker? Meron na akong fishball, kikiam, and sauce. Sauce is sauce. Sauce. Tikman natin ang fishball. Baka tayo ay makapiright. Tikman natin ang fishball. Yan. Sausaw natin sa sauce. Let's find the sauce. Normale. Sausaw niya sa vinegar. Anong okay. Lekker? Actually, wala silang normal na tuyo doon. Ganito yun, parang danggit na malalaki na daing. Ganto eh. Correct me if I'm wrong. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag dito. Ganyan yung tuyo nila, day. Ito na po ang magandang dilag. Magandang dilag. Late na naman si magandang dilag. Hoy, ang tuyo nila ano, ibang klase. Alam mo ba? Ang jowa, oh. Palafang.
Buti na kaya ko dito.
Ha?
Buti na kaya ko.
Ay, wala siyang choice. Uy, meron din silang mga ano, kakanin. Ensaymada, meron din silang ube, sapin-sapin. Ano to? kunchinta, cassava, puto, cheese. Cheesecake, I think this one. Ay, pandesal. Pandesal. Na matigas. Sorry. Maganda po tayong lahat with my background edition. Welcome back to my channel. See me, your Kamime Vlog. Charet. Nagluluto ako, mga kamime. Meron akong ginataang isda. Ipapakita ko sa inyo. First time natin papakain ng jowa ng ginataang isda. Tingnan nyo, dali. Tingnan nyo to, ha? O, yan. Kakaibang isda to, eh. Yan. Panggasos kung tawagin dito. Ginataan ko siya, dahil pinalalambot ko siyang mabuti kasi alam nyo na ang ating jowa kailangan ang luto ay medyo lagyan natin tong bok choy, pak choy, kung ano man tawag nyo dito, parang petchay kun sa atin, wala nang ibang gulay. Tapos magluluto pa ako niyan ng sayote, igigis ako. Ay gusto kasi na, alam nyo na, ang jowa mahilig sa gulay. Kaya bawal tayong umarte. Kumain tayo ng gulay. Hayaan mo siyang lumambot at gumatang gata. Diba? Nagmantika siya, day. Tayo ay maggigisa ng gulay. Hayaan mo siya dyan. Mahina lang naman yung apoy niya. Magigisa tayo ng gulay. Kailangan natin ng ito pa yung mga kailangan ko ng dami kung ng mantikang konti lang panggisa. Yan, tama na yan. Panggisang mantika. Meron akong olive oil, meron akong sunflower oil, meron akong kwento, meron akong daming eme. Eto na siya, luto ng aking ginataang at kasama ko na ang aking jawang gwapong. How's your day? I have that tea. How's your day?
Ja, gewoon een lekker busy and funny day at the office.
Some of my followers, they said congratulations, you have a new car.
How they know?
How they know? They watch it.
Oh, hold on. Did you post something?
Yeah, totally. Hey, Scott, that's your deserve. You deserve that.
Not basically.
Because I know you don't like it, but we don't show it because to drag it, but to appreciate it, what you done in more than like when you buy the last one, 2020. So now it's almost 5 years.
True.
We always talk about it, but we don't we don't yet buy because you really save the money for that, but you deserve it.
And I was not convinced about the other cars actually. And then of course there was. Did you tell also about we almost buy another car?
No.
It was sold already.
Yeah, and they have a story. That moment we need to go there for the test drive, and then the test drive said they sold it already, but we have an appointment. He's so disappointed, my jowa, for that, because of that manners, and because they should not do that here, right?
True.
It's just not really manners, unrespectful for that company.
True.
And sorry for that. And we have a new car.
And 5 days later, I see another offer, which is also very attractive.
And much more, a little
much more
cheap.
new. No, same price.
Simply, mas new.
It's much more, in the years, it's not 5 years, but...
and the same color for us. And the same color for us also.
Yeah, it's red instead of gray.
And that's why I put it. You deserve it. That's your gift.
Is much
for yourself. not for others, because I think it's more than not only last year, not only the other year. We test more than many test drive to think about it. Because the engine of old car is still okay. Like I said in my previous vlog, we've been to Austria, Switzerland, Milan, Italy, Monaco, Czech, France, Spain, Poland, Czech Republic, Germany, oh my G.
Switzerland.
Yeah, that's what I said. Oh, there's a lot.
Yeah.
Belgium, oh, there's a lot. Luxembourg, a lot.
Really
that's why that engine is still okay. But the thing is,
it's a supercar.
The thing is, we really needed to do it now. Yeah, because of gasolines and maintenance is expensive.
We expected a very high bill.
Yeah, and the aircon, if we using the last time in the summer, we don't use the aircon because it's kaput and then it's broken. It means it's so expensive when we do it, right?
Yeah, that's at least a couple of hundreds to fix that one.
Yeah, that's why.
So
we will eat now. Wait, I will serve first the fish. Hi! Maganda tayong lahat. Today is another day in the Netherlands with my hair. Tayo nag-bicycle dahil napakaganda ng weather today. Naiinitan na nga ako mga kamimay. At tanggalin natin to. Tingnan nyo ito nasa harapan ko. Ang ganda oh. Tingin-tingin doon sa mga boylet. May! Oh. Is a deer. Usa. Grabe oh. Wala tayong pangkain eh. Ayan oh. Pwede. Laptop. Och hier kelt het verbod. Ganda. Dito yan malapit sa amin. Grabe. Dahil napakaganda ng weather. Grabe, naiinitan na ako. Ang sarap ng pakaramdam. Mainat! Ang ganda no. Wala lang tayong ano. Hey! Hey! Wala tayong pagkain. Bili tayong pagkain. Saan makabili dito pagkain? Dapat meron silang pagkain, no? Dito yan, no? Tignan nyo. Ayan, oh. Nagbike ako from the house. Diba? Oh. Gandarn. At mainit ang panahon. Pak! Oh, mainit. Dapat may pasok ako mga kami. Mamayang hapon. Alas 3 ang pasok ko. Aba. Ayan yung sinasabi ko eh. Nagkamali yung aking boss. There's nobody's perfect. Lahat nagkakamali. Katulad yung nakaraan, nagkamali ako sa schedule ko. Nakapag-appointment ako sa aking dentist. Hindi niya ako pinayagan, di ba? Pero ngayon, no, sige lang. Sabi ko, sige lang. Pero sa susunod, wag ganon. Charat. Good weather. That's why let's go bicycle today. Let's chill for a while. Let's cheer for a while. Yeah. Pak 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 pak. Oh, diba? Ito nang hinahanap ng katawan natin ngayon eh. Yung mga gandang scenario. Ako lang ba? Comment down below kayo din. Nandito kami sa bago naming Discovery Channel na Chinese Suriname Eaten Restaurant. Oh, bago siya. Meron kaming mihon, kung tawagin, chop suey with chicken, chicken satay, and Bombay pangkang fillets. And what's this? Ananas. I will try. Love the back of ananas. meron kaming hakaw. Sarap. Enet. Enet. Hakag. Kain pa more.